Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of 123 Technicals. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunity you can grab from the market, and you guys get to see more of my strategy. Yeah. So, before we start proper, please, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. We're almost at 2K views. Yeah, it's actually mad. Like, it's really mad. I think, was it which day that it reached 1K views? I think it was like last month or so, and then it took less than a month to reach 2K. So it's actually nice. Yeah, and I really want to appreciate everyone that takes out time to attend this session. Some days we make money, and then some days there's nothing, but then it's the market you get. So let's see what we can grab for today. There was a whole lot of news earlier. That's why NZD spiked. I think I woke up around, was it 2? Yes, and NZD was just that very fat long candle. Yeah. And then we have news on the euro around 9:15, high impact news by then. And then we have high impact by 9:30 again. And then we have by 10:30 on the GBP. And then 3:45 we have on the USD, and all of them are PMI. Then we have FOMC by 8 p.m. So it's going to be a pretty rough day. Rough? Is it rough? Yeah, it's going to be a pretty rough day. So let's just be careful with the markets today. Yeah. Now, let's jump on our charts and see what we can grab. And AUDUSD. This was the temptation I was having. But then AUDUSD, I think it went, oh, okay, my internet connection is unstable. 1 sec. Let me change my connection. Let me change my connection. I would have done this before this session started. 1 sec, guys, 1 sec. Okay, guys, we're back. Yeah. So on AUDUSD, what do we have? So yesterday, I think at the time we were doing 123 technicals, price was here. Why is this thing not drawing? I hate this thing. So yesterday, price was basically here when we were doing the analysis, and I was like, if we break above, we can look for a retest. Now we had that retest, and that was around 3 p.m. Yeah, 3 p.m. yesterday. Now I really don't know what did not make me take that buy. I think it was because I already had a losing trade in the morning on the same AUDUSD. So I think there was that fear of losing there. So I did not actually check the trade. And then we actually had those buys from there to the upside. What I was intending to do was basically set a buy limit here, and then my stop loss below. I was just looking for plenty reasons. And I think it's because the RR was not substantial. It was like a 1.3 RR. Yeah. And I do not want to use Fibonacci. Let me see. I did not want to use Fibonacci. Fibonacci gave me losing trades last week. So I was just scared of Fibonacci. But I would have actually used Fibonacci to enter this trade. And it actually went well. Very nice trade like this. I don't know why I did not draw my Fibonacci levels. Honestly, I forgot. I did not think about it. I think it's that whole fear of losing that was just in my mind. The only thing I was looking for, I went to the lower time frame to look for entry criteria, which I did not see. So anyhow, It's all good. It happens once in a while. Yeah, it happens once in a while. The most important thing that we get to learn from it. Now, let's take a look at AUDUSD. I think NZDUSD. NZDUSD was the one I was actually looking to take with my whole chest. Yeah. But then let me see. Yesterday around that time, NZDUSD did not reach there. We had the break of structure, we push up, we came back. Then we had that first retest. We went up and then the news brought it back down. Now, this news, did it bring it up to that structure that was broken? No, but then it pushed it down. The thing with NZDUSD is that I actually missed, like, should I say, one setup yesterday on NZDUSD. There was this break of structure here. Short retracement strategy. I did not actually look at it from that perspective. Yeah, there was this break of structure here. Sorry. There was this break of structure here. And then normals, now we enter the close of the candlestick and then stop loss below the candlestick. That was approximately a 1 RR trade. Yeah. No, it's which 1 RR? It's actually a 2 RR trade. It actually hits that 2 RR before it started retracing, and I did not see it. That was the problem. I did not see it. It was later when I was looking at the whole currency pairs, then I realized that NZDUSD actually had this opportunity here, but then I did not pay attention to it. At that moment, I was busy taking sells on AUDUSD. And that's one thing with doing, how will I put it? Taking a trade against the trend. Yeah, most times you wouldn't see things the way they are. Yeah, most times you wouldn't see things the way they are. Look at where price was on AUDUSD. I was actually selling it at this point here. And then we had already shifted to a bullish market, but then I don't know. It's just one of those days, but then it's just to learn from my mistake. And then hopefully next time it doesn't happen. Let me see. On AUDUSD now, if somebody can settle down and let's see how this candlestick will close. If we close well, then we'll take a buy on it. But then the way it's impulsing to the upside like this, I don't think it's going to be this. Let's look at EURUSD. Yeah. Enough of crying over AUDUSD and NZDUSD. So now, EURUSD yesterday, I told you guys that we should watch out for a sell here. We tapped inside, we rejected. Now, I think this was at night when I woke up. I saw this rejection candle, but then I did not take the sell. And this was because the other day at night, I took a sell because of rejection candle and they still wounded me, not small. So I was like, nah, I'm not going to take it. Now, let's see. Our range is basically from here to here. Yeah. Let's see if price will basically retrace from here to the downside. As you can see, we have this space here. That's where 0.7 Fibonacci is. So let's just watch out and see how it plays out. Then GBPUSD. GBPUSD has just, okay. We actually broke above. We came, we tested, and then we're still pushing up. Honestly, for now, I'm not still going to say anything about GBPUSD. It's just too much for me right now. GBPUSD is just, I cannot call this one range. At the same time, I cannot say we don't have an impulsive move and then a retracement and then we're having an impulsive move now. So I'll just wait for more price action. And there's news today, so I don't want to do anything that will come and be looking one kind. Then GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Yes, I think we analyzed GBPJPY and I was like, we should watch out for price to get into this point. Price got into this point. We got a nice bullish candlestick, a nice bullish entry criteria, but then I still did not take the buys on this one too. It was very sad. On this one, I did not actually take it. I think I was teaching then. This was around 11. Yes, I was in class. I was teaching by that time, so I did not see it. Then gold. Gold has been a bitch lately. So we pushed up yesterday. We broke above. Yeah. We came back down, broke that higher low to the downside. Now we created what? A lower high, another lower low. Now we're pushing up to break that lower low again. So I don't know what gold wants. It will change to a downtrend, change to an uptrend immediately. So I'll just wait and see what to do today with the news. So I'm not going to touch gold today. I'll let it be. Then AUDCAD. AUDCAD. This also has been one kind. I think we've just been ranging. It's just now that price is trying to break out of that range. So let's just wait and see how it will go. Yeah. Which other pair do you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Which other pair do you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Okay, since there is no pair to look at, we'll call it a day. Let's just pay attention and see how price behaves. Yeah, this week we are definitely going to find a trade. Yeah, let's just keep calm. Like I used to tell you guys, yeah, it's not about every day. It's just wait for that very nice setup and take it. So please, let's just keep our capital. The day we see fine setup. Why I've not dropped anything is because I've not seen fine setup yet. The ones I've just been seeing are shitty. And then the ones we had yesterday, I did not see it. I missed it. I don't know. Is that AUD sell in the morning that just spoiled my whole day yesterday? So hopefully today is going to be better. Yeah. So stay safe, guys, and please have a very beautiful day in the market today. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Bye, guys.